everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I'd like to share one of my favorite things to do in the winter season, which is create floating flower arrangements. Now you don't have to do this just with flowers, you can do this with foliage too. The key here is to just have a pot, primarily plastic pot, with no holes that's adjacent to a water source. I say that so that you can keep your water clean and keep your vessel from developing any algae. And then all you do is go around your garden and collect beautiful flowers and foliage, things that inspire you so that you can create an ephemeral art piece right on your back deck. So here I have a ceramic bowl, and this is, right next to my house, and if we're gonna get cold, I empty this out. But I wanted to show you how simple it is. So I have those Tama Americana camellia flowers that if you watched my video garden tour today, saw those blooming. They were way down low on the ground in an area where I don't walk through. So bringing them here is much better so I can actually enjoy the flowers. Now I've got this really cool Farfugium leaf. This is one called Wavy Gravy. And I also have curly parsley leaves. So I'm just kind of filling in these open areas between the camellia flowers with these curly leaf things. And then to accent the yellow stamens of the camellia, I have yellow violas. And I'm just gonna set those in and let them float around. And I think this is a really nice kind of cheerful expression for the second day of January. And it's a great way to just completely appreciate the things that you have in your garden in a totally different way. When I started doing this practice, I saw this at Chanticleer, and they do this in the summertime there. And because it's the summer, they have to actually change them out pretty much every day. And I decided for my schedule that didn't really make sense, but I could do this in the cool season, and because it's not hot out, they don't melt that quickly. So I can actually enjoy these flower arrangements for at least a few days, but usually up to a week. And I just find it to be one of my most relaxing and most enjoyable things to do in the garden. And I take pictures of them, and it's basically given me a calendar of what's flowering when, based on what flowers I'm floating in at different seasons. I usually start doing this in October, and I end sometime in April when it gets really hot out. But you can see, just like that, it's really simple and easy, and you can make any kind of arrangement that you want. So I hope you'll be motivated to go outside and enjoy your garden in a completely fresh, unique way. Thanks so much for watching.